We are here. We are here. We are here. On this amazing day. Hey everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer: I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up M. Okay, guys, we are on a monthly time frame. A lot of M's today. So let's take a look at what's going on. Price action. Price action high is high. Price action lower lows. Midpoint in the middle. Price action. Let's see where's price action coming from. Price action is coming from a low. It came from actually from a decline W that came from an overall uptrend from a double top. So this double top in this market here pushed this market down to a decline double bottom that got respected for another double bottom at the low. We won't see this until we get to the lower time frame. But just to show you guys right here, we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushed up for that fourth decline W. Market was respected with that decline W. We look in here, there's a doji which showed a retest. So market spiked that first leg, second leg, third leg, and then pushed up. So double bottom, decline, double bottom support. So first, second, third, fourth, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. So market still has a few more times to push. Price action, doji, second last candle, doji. Third to last candle, long push up to the top. Lost momentum, wasn't able to break. Market closed out here. So that means this could be just a retest that can push that market down. So this can be the market break-in and retest, and it may break down further. If not, market's going to respect this area here and then push up, retest, and it's gone. And if that doesn't happen, we can clearly see we probably get a huge consolidation between that highest third to last candle wick, bottom of price wick, and market consolidating there, higher or lower. We're gonna see why we walked out of market. So we do know we're on a consolidation. We're gonna see we're gonna get that breakout of that consolidation, the top side or downside. It's gonna put this in a consolidation. We're gonna tag those wicks, price action, lowest wick. We're gonna tag this the top of the third candle body. And we're gonna watch that market work its way sideways and see if we can identify that market's breaking that area of support where we just created. That's our lines. Pattern structure right here. We can see price action is a doji and decisive market, so market's still consolidating on that area of support that is at. Market spiked that area of support twice. Let's see what structure that we formed at that bottom. But before we do, coming up at the top, what did we receive? We received a single top and a retest, and then that market pushed down to second level lows of that area. We're gonna see that market's gonna push up. So let's draw it out. Single top retest. Market pushed down once, market pushed down twice. Still got a few more times to go, so market still reading the trend structure of the trend direction, of the pushes from the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame. There's been two pushes on top of that. You can clearly see there's a structure forming. It can be pushing up for that first leg, second leg, third leg. May have that fourth, may look for the break and retest for that market to go up. If that market is being respected for that resistance, first leg, second leg, this is the retest, market pushed down. Probably be a decline double top, and if it's not a decline double top, you look for price to tag this area here back to that resistance to do a full top, do a full push down, which would be a double top and retest, or that market could just consolidate sideways as it's currently doing. So we'll be still looking for the breakout as we walk down the time frame. Headed down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, price action, engulfing pattern. Price action is actually engulfing the second last candle. Price action candle is a bullish candle, but it's like a huge doji at that long wick up to the top, showing it may just be a retest of that area for market to push down unless market forms more candles and finally break out the top side of that wick. Okay, so no trade yet. Market's still in the area consolidation. We don't know what's going on here. Market price look like it's coming. It look like we have a double top, and it's a retest candle, is that market's going to drop down, continue sideways, or break lower. Let's see what's going on in a 4-hour time frame. Second push up to the top, price action candle. Last candle in the market is a bullish candle. Market's pushing up. We do have the engulfment. Price action is about to engulf the second last candle. Just gotta wait for it to close out on a 4-hour time frame, which we have 1 hour and 3 minutes left. Now market can work its way up back up to that high. So that means the support area is what we expected. But we don't know how far this market's gonna go up. We did create my SR line here. So we're looking for market to get to that SR line. The wick touched that area, so we don't know if that market's going to be expected for that area, for that price to drop down from that touch, or that market pushes up for the break and retest, or we'll have that consolidation of the market. Let's see, we'll identify on a 3-hour time frame. 4-3 is identifying the same thing. 2 hours identifying the second push, so third candle is in formation of that incline push. So market is working its way up. Now we may be looking for retest candles coming up soon. Let's see if we can identify. Yes, we do have some retest candles. So this is the retest. So the market's retesting right now, and price action is coming from a double bottom. So let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. This is also a retest area here. Market consolidated sideways. Retest, market pushed up once. Still have multiple pushes that this market can do. Price action candles, we have a pattern that's near price action on that monthly time frame. So let's draw it out. So if we think about connecting the first price action candle and the second last candle wicks, and connecting the bodies of that bottom row, we can see that market is in that wedge pattern. So we should be seeing another candle form in this area for that market to eventually break out or break down. So that means we are looking for some type of consolidation in this area here. We make this look a little nice. So let's draw this wedge pattern. We're going to create an area of resistance, but just tagging the price action wick. We're going to create an area of support by tagging the price action body. Headed down to the 45-minute. Now we got another candle form, third candle side by side. We're creating an area consolidation. Price action candle, bullish candle, which is a retest candle. So we're going to see if market is going to retest and respect this area here for that market to come up. If not, then that market could push down, or we could still continue to get more consolidation sideways candles. Headed down to the 30-minute, 45, 30-minute, identifying the same thing. We have a retest in this market with the second last candle. So market spiked up, pushed right back down for the second last candle is a retest. That market like is look like it's pushing up, but price action, we don't have that engulfment for price to really push up. But price action is doing some type of double top. We'll probably identify that walking down a time frame. If not, it'll identify in the next few hours. Headed down to the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to retest it, identify itself on a 5-minute time frame. Didn't have to wait. So what do we see? I did say it's a double top happening area of resistance. So let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg. So we can clearly see the market price is tagging that third area of resistance. If that market's going to push down, it's going to continue sideways. So it's going to push up. So as it pushes up, we know we look for that break and retest. Headed down to the 3-minute. And no engulfing patterns, market still consolidated. We got an incline in the market near price, but nothing to show as engulfing the area yet. Price action on the 1-minute time frame could be the candle that could close that market out. But that market could push up. We had to wait for a few retests. Very important information, guys. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Also, breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. M. Stock.